Wow, we're getting a lot done here on the stables, but there's a lot to do.
I know.
You know, it reminds me when we went to Green last night, how beautiful it was and how rustic. This place could be beautiful and rustic, you know?
I know, it's like so popular. It's like this hidden hideaway.
I know it. Folks, welcome back to another episode of Ranch Rehab.
Welcome back.
And today, we've got more stable work to do.
A dirty job.
Unstable people doing, that sounds
Under
bad, but we're gonna clean up the rest of these stalls here, get rid of some of the dirt and hay and whatnot, and the poop.
And power wash.
And power wash. So it's gonna be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
So let's get to it.
Come join us.
Look at that, a regular blanket.
Yeah, these have been used for a lot of variety of things.
You don't have to renovate the blanket, Jennifer.
Yes, we do.
Oh my God. Okay, that's good. So we'll stick it.
We rehab everything.
So what we do is we're gonna have this hanging over the edge a bit.
Yeah.
And what's gonna happen is we're gonna put the dirt mounds on the back of here.
And then we, okay.
Is that what you do? All right, and then we're gonna take and boom.
Yes.
Knock it right off.
Knock it off.
That's right, knock the pile right off.
Like a bad wasp nest.
Fill it until it feels good. Folks, we don't want to make 25 trips back and forth.
No, maybe we should have an extra blanket.
I don't think so.
Okay.
I'm not cold.
I mean, it's always, it looks small in piles over there, but then it gets bigger on the trailer. It expands visually.
Negative, soldier. Can you get that end, soldier?
Yeah.
All right, so let's load up the power washer. Just throw it on the back here. That would be great.
Uh-huh.
Awesome. Because we're gonna need that over at the stables. So once we get those piles moved out of there, we can do some power washing.
Woohoo! Sounds like a plan.
There's a lot of material inside those stalls. And we worked hard during our last video to remove a lot of the debris.
Poop piles, gone. Right where we want it.
What she said. All right, let's get to it.
Okay.
All right, so let's, we'll shovel the debris onto here. I know, right?
Holy Hannah!
So I found quite a few of those nests out here when I was cleaning up. So what we're trying to do here, I mean, you guys are all wondering, you know, what is this channel all about? They do a lot of silly things. They do some great projects. They do a lot of different stuff.
Failure is just a stepping stone to success.
Very profound. Yeah. So yeah, we're trying to inspire you guys, get you pumped up, do some DIY projects yourself. And we also like to show you what you can do on your own property, you know?
Yeah.
I'm not saying everybody's got a stables on their property, but you might have some land, you might have this, that, or the other thing. You know, think outside the box and figure out what you can do where you're at.
Right, because people are trying to make money from home. They're trying to be resourceful. So that's what we're trying to help people.
There's a lot of people out of work.
Yes.
For many different reasons. They're not going back to their job and everything, and they've got to figure out how they can make money at home.
Exactly, and so that is a big part.
Yeah, so you want to stay here because Jenny's got a lot of great ideas on how to make money at home. You know, I don't care if you have a one-bedroom apartment. You know, I know this ain't Don Lapre, but we can tell you guys some of our ideas on how to make money.
Always a way, and you can simultaneously then increase your income potential of your real estate as well.
All right, so I think this is pretty good for the first pile.
In the essence of keeping it here before we drop it off, I think we should wrap this present.
Really?
This poop present.
Where's your bow?
Right here.
Okay. There we go.
So I found a pecan in that pile, which means possibly it was a hiding nest for a squirrel or something.
Really?
Because the pecan trees are way far.
That's true.
Did you know that you have to check for viability on your nuts?
No.
It's important.
It never crossed my mind, to be honest with you, Jennifer.
You have to.
All right, so let's do this. Let's go like that and come on up here if you would and get that side and make sure your foot's not in there. Hop right on up there.
Ugh.
There you go.
Oh my Lord.
Don't hurt yourself, Jennifer.
This is heavy.
1, 2, 3, fling.
Oh my God.
Good job.
Okay.
Beautiful. Jennifer's gonna dry clean the blanket after you do it each time.
You know what?
Whatever. All right, Jennifer, I know every time you throw a pile up here, you get dust and you walk away. How are we gonna get this work done, Jennifer? What the deuce? Uh-huh. I'll move up a little bit and you can just kick some of it off or something. All right, so we're on to round 2.
Phase 2.
Yeah, let's get to power washing.
More dirty jobs. And possibly clean.
Well, how is power washing a dirty job? Because you actually get clean, it has water.
A clean job.
Okay, let's go. All right, folks. So now that we got rid of those piles, it's time to do a little power washing, Jennifer.
We're gonna do some cleaning and hopefully speedily.
Yeah, exactly.
Speed cleaning.
All right, folks, so this is one of the stalls that we haven't power washed yet.
It's very white, dingy,
Dusty and all that
has
kind of
all
stuff.
kinds of stuff going on.
Now let's go to one of the ones that we did power wash.
Yeah, and what a transformation here,
Yes.
folks. I mean, you can see the gorgeous color we brought out in this natural red type wood here.
Look at the
And
hue of this
it's
right here.
just
This beautiful orangish red hue to it.
It's gorgeous.
Right, and so when this dries up and dries out, it's gonna be a little bit more lighter and whatnot, but it's still gonna look really beautiful.
Looks really good.
Yeah, looks great.
Only 5 million more.
Well, we still got a lot more to go.
The positive side is we did it once, we can do it again and again.
And again and again.
Yes, and so that's why we have a really good system started here.
Yeah,
Yeah,
looks great.
and it's gonna be beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Folks, thank you for stopping back once again to Ranch Rehab.
Wait!
For what? We're done.
I forgot to power wash my antlers. Hello.
Sounds like a personal problem to me, Jennifer.
That's really cool.
Okay. So yeah, we got some great stuff here to power wash. We're gonna be power washing like crazy over the next week or so.
It's gonna be crazy.
Yes. So thank you for stopping back once again.
Thanks.
And don't forget, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, comment, share, do all those great things.
Yes, absolutely.
And don't forget, stop back for the next episode.
It'll be interesting.
See you guys later.
Bye.